Okay, so now that we've successfully clicked on the login button, let's continue the process of implementing the remaining steps. So currently we access stackoverflow.com, we click on the login button, and now we need to send the relevant username and password into the two available text fields. So I've got Firefox currently open, I've selected Firebugged. I'm going to select the following icon and then I'm going to hover over the text field and just click. So it's provided us with a recommended XPath, and there's one matching node. So I'm just going to copy the XPath they recommend and just make sure you only have the following tick enabled. So I'm going to copy this XPath. I'm going to go back to our actual step where we need to enter a valid username. I'm going to say driver dot, and then I'm going to say find elements by XPath because we're using an XPath. And then I'm going to use dot. Instead of click this time, we're going to use another Selenium method, which is sendkeys. So we need to send character keys to that particular text field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste our username. Like so. I'm going to add a thread.sleep just to add a slight time delay of 2 seconds. Next, I'm going to go back to Firefox. I'm going to hover, select the following icon, click on the password text field, copy the password XPath, go back to the actual step where it says enter a valid password. So I'm going to go driver.find. We're going to use XPath again. We need to provide the XPath for the password text field. I'm going to say use sendkeys method again, and now I'm going to paste the password. So just paste the password into there. Save the actual step and save the whole class. I am going to uncomment the following option because once we log in I want it to clear all the cookies. So now I'm going to select our feature file to execute the feature file, right mouse click, run as, run configurations. We're pointing to the correct feature file, so I'm just going to click run. Okay, so we've accessed stackoverflow.com, we've clicked on the login button, and we've entered both the email address and the password within the two available fields.